Hey everyone. Well, today we got a message back from Blizzard, and it says, "Hi, this is Game Master Narisard from Blizzard Entertainment reporting for duty. I appreciate your patience while waiting for a reply. I hope that this message reaches you in great spirits. I understand that you would like to report another player for harassment in World of Warcraft. I can provide more insight on the matter. While we here at Customer Support appreciate you for sharing your concerns on this situation through the screenshots you kindly provided us, we are unable to take reports from our dear players as it requires development action which is out of our scope. To report a player in World of Warcraft, select a player character and right click the target character portrait, which I already did this. So basically, what they're saying is their system fucking sucks. And there's no way to report a player, but their guidelines simply say that if somebody, like, how do you report somebody if their system fucking sucks? Simple as that. Like, you can't. I clicked on his name and I reported it, but there's no information. There's really no information or no image file you can send to them for more details. So, what information are they gonna get? So, their system pretty much. So, pretty much is what they're saying is their system sucks and they're not gonna do anything fucking about it. So, I mean, really, Blizzard? And like, there's no place to contact Blizzard themselves. There's no way. Because I'm on their page and it only takes you back to here. So it's really. Yeah, so I'm just gonna freaking put, I'm just gonna write it right now. Let me see. Um, to report a player. Um, let me see what I can put. So, um, so I did report. Um, I did report. I did report the player by. I did report the player by. I did report the player by selecting their name. Um. But how is how but how is but how are they supposed to get all the information when they do not have it? I had the screenshot and you're unable to upload it to Blizzard in game, right? Wait. How did I did the report a player by selecting their name, but how are they supposed to get all the information? Let me see. Come on. It's just a click, click, click. Oh, why is it camera off? Okay, it's just a click, click, and click. Tab and that's it. So when they do not have okay wait. I did a report the player by selecting their name, but how are they supposed to get all the information? It's just a click 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 tab. That's it. When they do not have it when they do not have um all information. Um, I have the screenshot and you're unable to upload it to Blizzard in game. So you're also telling me you can't help me. Oh. Also telling me you can't help me. Because of your system. So basically, what I just told them very nicely is, um, I did report the player by selecting their name, but how are they supposed to get all the information? It's just a click, 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 tab, that's it. And when they do not have all the information on it, I have the screenshot and you're unable to upload it to Blizzard in game. You're also telling me you can't help me because of your system. Let me see. I did all the requirements you listed. These issues really need to be fixed with a better system. Let me see. System in place. Like, like invoices or private messages. Private messages from the I did all the let me see, why would anyone want to keep playing a game with bad support and people getting swear sweared? Who's so sweared? Oh, he's so sweared. Sweared. Hey Siri, how do you spell sweared?
Squared. S-Q.
Oh, hey Siri. Oh my gosh. Maybe that's not a word. That's not a word. Swear. Swear. At. Okay. So I'll put that too. I did report the player by selecting their name, but how are they supposed to get all the information? It's just click, 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 tab. That's it. When they do not have all the information on it, I have the screenshot and you're unable to upload it to Blizzard in game. You're also telling me you can't help me because of your system. Um, and you don't have contact with Blizzard. That's ridiculous. Hey Siri, how do you spell ridiculous?
Ridiculous.
Yeah.
RIDICULOUS.
Oh, no, not that. There we go. Thanks. Okay, you're also telling me you can't help because of your system and you don't have contact with Blizzard. That's ridiculous. I did all the requirements you listed before. And before. That's before, right? No, that's before. This issue really needs to be fixed with a better system in place, like invoices or private messages from developers. Why would anyone want to keep playing a game with bad support and people getting swear at? So I'm going to leave it at that because I'm not going to take my time writing something that they don't believe in. Simple as that. So we're just going to submit this. And we submitted it. And you can see it's opened. So that's gonna be the end of this video. Hopefully they do more than say they're gonna do nothing and put agreements out on the game, and then when someone tries to get help they do nothing, and that's pretty fucking stupid. You know what? So fuck you, Blizzard. Have a nice day. Nobody's gonna want to fucking play your game if you have bad support. Pretty much simple as that.